This video will show you how to use the LXCE UpdateXpress to update the local machine from a local directory. Launch the UpdateXpress with administrator privileges. In the Welcome window, click Next. In the Target Server window, select Manage the local server. Click Next. In the Task window, select Perform updating on Target Server. Click Next. In the Update Setting window, to upgrade the backup system firmware, select only Update the backup image of the BMC and UEFI where applicable. Click Next. In the Update Location window, select Look in a local directory. Click Browse to select the specified folder. Click Next. In the Update Type window, select the target update type. Click Next. In the Update Recommendation window, click Begin to compare the versions of installed driver and firmware with the latest version. The utility will list packages, giving details about currently installed component versions and versions now available. To display all update packages, select Show Updates of Undetected Devices. Select the packages you want to upgrade. Click Next. In the Running Updates window, click Begin Update to start updating the packages. The execution table displays the upgrade progress of the packages. When the upgrade progress is completed, click Next. In the Finish window, click the log to check the updates. And click Close to exit